You can easily fix the P0139 engine code by replacing the fuel injectors. This means the oxygen sensor after the catalytic converter on bank 1 is not changing its voltage signal fast enough when the air-fuel combination changes. Under these circumstances, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. Fuel injectors. The fuel injectors are mounted in the intake manifold so that they spray fuel directly at the intake valves. Inspect the leaking fuel injectors on the fuel rail. Carefully remove the fuel injector. Make sure the new injector has new seals and never use the old seats over. When you change the fuel injectors, change them all as a set. Otherwise, the engine will run unevenly. To prevent leaking, get some gasoline, put it in a cup, and then dip the new fuel injector into it, so the seals may get wet with gasoline and it will go in and won't leak. After all, just slide all the new fuel injectors in. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mazda RX-8, Honda CR-V, and others. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.